Hey y'all, I hear people saying they got 7, 8, and 9 kids. How in the world are y'all doing it? Cause look, it's just 3 of us at the house. These Pillsbury Grand Biscuits, can y'all see that? For this, $4.48. 2-pack of crescent rolls, $5.68. My goodness. And look, I'm trying to see what's the price for this. $2. $2 for this 5 biscuits. But I'm gonna show y'all what old school soul food put me on. Y'all look, I used to buy these little bacon sticks right here. They used to be $1.99. $4.28. But I want to show y'all what old school soul food introduced me to for biscuits. Don't buy those canned biscuits. Get you some buttermilk, like I got right here. I got me some buttermilk, and y'all, I used to make biscuits from scratch. But when I found this, thanks to old school soul food, it's Southern biscuit mix. This actually has the little pieces of butter in it. All you have to do with this is add your buttermilk. See? Wait, this is 3 1/4 cups of this and 1 1/4 of buttermilk. When I tell you perfection, perfection. I gave each one of my sisters one of these for Mother's Day, I think. Y'all, this is really, really good. Don't pay all that money for those canned biscuits. Get you this and some buttermilk, and you'll have biscuits. I think I used off this paper 3 times. All right.